Hey guys, welcome. In this new video, I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, I want to do a recap of last week and also a kind of vlog of today's trading day. So let's actually get right into it. Just before we start, as always, if you are not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you do that and also leave a like under the video. I would truly appreciate it. So let's actually get right into it. So first of all, last week was a regular trading week. Nothing really much happened. I took few break-even trades. So no winning trades, no losing trades, only break-even trades. So that's normal, right? A lot of traders experience break-even trades, and those trades are actually pretty good because it means that basically the market started going against you and you have been able to close the trade without a loss. So that's actually a very good thing. If you are able, for example, to take few winning trades, few losing trades, and a lot of break-even trades, well, at the end you will be very profitable because you are basically limiting your losing trades. And if your winning trades are much bigger than your losing trades, well, at the end you will be profitable. So that's basically a small part of my trading philosophy, but that is basically the idea. So last week was a lot of break-even trades. For the trades that I currently have, I will show you guys after that on the screen, but I still have the two same trades that are very long term. Those two trades are developing pretty nicely, so I'm just keeping them for now and waiting to see how everything will develop. And I also have a new trade that I didn't have before, that you guys haven't seen, that is going very well and running in about $1,500 profit for now. So that is very good, and that's a very great start of the week. So here are the trades that I still have. So those are the two same trades as previously. So we have AUDN and EUR-Yen, and this is the new trade that I have since last week. So this is Euro AUD. I will go on the 1 hour just to show you guys the entry. So my entry was right around those level right here, and now, well, we're still going down very nicely, and I'm expecting more downside here, so I'm keeping the trade, but as you can see, it is going very well for now. Those are the two setups that I'm looking for the day. We have Euro USD and GBP USD. Right now, nothing is confirmed for the move that I want to see, so I'm just waiting. I don't know if I will be able to get a trade on those pairs for today, but this is what I am looking for. So I was not much on the chart last week, simply because that was my birthday, first of all, so I enjoyed some time with friends and family. We went out, we went to dinner, we also went to some club on Friday night, so that was pretty cool. So I didn't, traded much last week, which is why I didn't took any trade, but there was also not really any opportunities. So that was just, as I said, a very regular and slow week, which is why I didn't record any vlogs as well, because I didn't feel like it was really interesting to show you guys what was going on, and I just preferred, to take some time off of the internet and the charts and just enjoy life. So for this week, I think we will get some more movement that will be interesting to catch on some of the pairs that we trade. So there are a few setups that are setting up pretty nicely. As you guys saw, I showed you the two setups that I'm looking for only for the day, but obviously for later during the week, there are other setups that I'm watching and that I am looking for, just to see how they will develop, and if they form the way that I want to see them forming into a potential trade setup, well, I will be able to get a trade on those pairs as well. Being a trader is amazing because it gives you so much freedom that pretty much like nothing else can give you, right? Like, as I told you guys last week, there was not really any trade setups, so I just, decided to do other things. I took a few break-even trades and I just went out, and that was fun, right? Like, I don't have to always, spend time in the office working on the charts and all of that. So this is one of the main reward that I personally get from being a trader. I get to have a lot of freedom. I can do basically whatever I want, when I want, with who I want. So at the end, well, it makes life very interesting because you are able to live without much buyers, right? The only buyers are the ones you put on yourself, right? At the end of the day, this is the same thing for everyone. Even if you have a job, well, you need to realize that you decided to get this job for, whatever reason that you wanted to make money, to survive, to, I don't know, right? But like, you put those barriers on yourself. That's always the same thing. It always comes back to yourself. But the good thing about being a trader is that there's just not many barriers, right? Like you can do pretty much whatever you want, and I absolutely love it. And overall, well, on the long term, you are still able to make money, because that's one thing that you realize when you get into trading. But you don't need to trade every single day of the year to make money, right? There are days where there is no trade setup. There are even weeks where there are no trade setups, right? Like it's possible for me, sometimes it happened that during the whole week I didn't take a single trade because there are no opportunities that I want to catch on the market. There are no good enough setups for me to take. So that's the thing about being a trader. You don't need to trade every single day of the year. You don't need to always be in front of the chart. You can do other things. You can enjoy life. You can have fun, travel, freedom, see friends, whatever you want to do, right? And you are still able to make a good amount of money at the end, because, well, that's the job, right? That's basically that's the opportunity. Like, I don't know what else to say more, but that's just how it's done, right? Trading is very similar in a lot of ways than investing. And obviously, when you invest your money, you don't always have to check your investments, to, look at the charts and read the news and all of that. Of course, it's good to stay connected, to know the information, know what is going on, what could be the potential outcome of something that you are trading or investing in. But at the end of the day, you don't need to always be in front of the charts. You can do so many different things, and that's pretty amazing. So for this week, hopefully we get amazing opportunities. I think that we will, based on what I see right now on the market. I'm already in 3 very good trades, and one especially from last week that is running, as I said, at about $1,500 profit. So that is very, very good. So that was my little recap, just to keep you guys updated of what I'm doing personally in my life and what is going on in my trading. I know that a lot of you guys are enjoying those type of trading vlogs, and I just wanted to record one today, just to share with you guys, well, what I'm doing, and hopefully that it can inspire you or at least help you. All right, so on that, I will continue my trading. I will also probably go out later today, just to enjoy the day, because it's a very beautiful day outside. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Once again, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.